Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today, I'll show you how to sign up on Amazon easily. First, open the Amazon app or visit the Amazon website on your browser. Next, click on the Sign In option. Here, you'll see the option to create a new account. Tap on it. Now, enter your name, mobile number or email, and a strong password. After filling in the details, click on Continue. You'll receive a verification code on your mobile or email. Enter the code to verify your account. Once verified, your Amazon account is ready. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.